is up, fam? It's your boy Ventuan. Welcome to BBlock. Today we're going to be getting into some exciting stuff about PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain. If you have not checked this out and you are a DeFi user, what are you doing? Today I'm going to walk you through an article about PancakeSwap so you understand what's going on in the ecosystem and why it is so important for DeFi users to start using this product. I absolutely love it. Stay tuned and let's go. All right, guys and gals, today we're going to be covering an article written by Marcel Peckman from Cointelegraph. PancakeSwap gains 440% as its daily DEX volume surpasses 90 million. Wow. All right, so this project was launched in September. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange DEX running on Binance Smart Chain. Instead of allowing its user to trade ERC20 tokens and ER721 tokens, the DEX focuses exclusively on Binance Smart Chain BEP20 tokens. So I'm also going to be releasing a video about onboarding to the Binance Smart Chain. There's a lot of steps involved, but it is totally worth it. So stay tuned for that part. But for those of you not familiar with Binance Smart Chain, it is Binance's Ethereum chain, if you will, that Binance did develop. This chain is absolutely lightning fast, and that's why I absolutely love using it. It is kind of very technical to get involved with. We're transferring over ERC20 tokens to the Binance Smart Chain network. There's a lot of barriers to entry, but it is totally worth it. So let's continue here. PancakeSwap offers staking for its liquidity providers. There's a lot of lottery for users holding 10 or more cake, and by opting for a chain with much lower transaction fees than Ethereum, PancakeSwap offers a complete solution for decentralized finance enthusiasts. Liquidity providers stake their tokens in pools, allowing the DEX to run its automated market maker smart contracts. In exchange, those stakers are rewarded FLIP tokens. These flip tokens can also be staked in exchange for Cake tokens. Cake is the unicoin, if you will, of the actual DEX. That's what you're going to be working with a lot of the times when you're working on PancakeSwap. However, you can exchange any tokens pretty much on PancakeSwap in this BEP20 environment and ecosystem. So it operates very similar to Uniswap and a lot of these other DEXs that are on the Ethereum network, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Staking capabilities expand. So Pancake found its niche among Binance users. Users pay a 0.2 trading fee on every token swap, while 0.17 goes back to the liquidity providers. The remaining 0.03% is sent to the PancakeSwap treasury. So PancakeSwap has already risen to become the 8th ranked DEX. That is huge, considering this project just came out in September. Like, look at all these other DEXs that are out there: Uniswap, SushiSwap, 1inch, OX Protocol, Curve. Like, it's in there. It's the top 10 for a reason. I absolutely love to see it. So another token called Syrup, which was created, and these can only be obtained by staking Cake tokens. In addition to providing voting rights, Syrup tokens also function as lottery tickets. According to PancakeSwap's website, 75% of the newly minted Cake tokens are assigned to farmers, while 25% allocated exclusively to Syrup holders. So here we can see the daily volume. You can see from November, this was just under probably 10 million at the time, and now it's almost up to 100 million in just under 6 months. It's absolutely fascinating to see. Less than 6 months. So the platform developers and community have also listed several potentially interesting developments that combine the NFT world with lending, and there are a series of proposals for upgrading or customizing the user interface. Cake's issuance schedule raises concerns, though. While Cake has been rising value, an area of concern is its potential infinite supply. 25 Cake are issued per block and redistributed to liquidity pools and the lottery for Syrup holders. On the other hand, an embed burning mechanism includes 9.1% of all the farmed Cake tokens, 10% of the lottery tickets, and 100% of the fees raised in its initial farm offerings. So PancakeSwap could possibly be an exciting alternative as the platform is focused on combating the high fees charged on the Ethereum network. PancakeSwap community also seems focused on maintaining a balanced issuance rate and incentives that will encourage growth of the DEX ecosystem. So that is one of the knocks I will have on PancakeSwap, is their infinite supply. It does not really settle well with me. But it seems like the community is self-governing in a fashion where they want to make sure the asset retains its price. The tokenomics of these infinite supply tokens have typically not had a great track record, but I think PancakeSwap is different from a lot of these other infinite supply tokens out there. So for me, this is going to be what the future will look like. Hopefully ETH2 can get there, but who knows if that's going to be in 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, who knows. PancakeSwap is here though, and it's very usable. Stay tuned. I am going to make a walkthrough tutorial about how to get involved with PancakeSwap because there are so many steps involved. I hope this was resourceful. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, but I will urge you to get involved with Pancake because it is an exciting project and there's so many cool stuffs happening outside of Pancake that can be involved with their ecosystem. So thank you guys for tuning in today. If you've not liked, subscribe, smash the like buttons and the notifications so you know when I post up the next latest, greatest article. See you next time.